Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I decided to redraw two of my old photos. They were random hair models I found. Well, you know when you go shopping and people buy the hair coloring products, I decided to draw two of them. And now I'm looking at them like, I want to redraw these. I could have done so much better. I decided to redraw these two. I really like the way they turned out before, but if you can tell, if you notice something very strange about them, you see, I had trouble drawing noses. For some reason, I just put a line and figured that was enough. I didn't bother finish the nose, so it's just half a nose. So all my drawings are like Voldemort. Anyway, let's go see my redraws. Finally, I'm finished. These are the two pieces. On our left, we have the blonde model, and on the right, we have the red-haired model. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. These two girls will be available as stickers on my Redbubble. Go check me out on Soso Artsy 13. Thanks for watching. Bye!